In this video I am showing you how you can make or create poll vote on Instagram. So firstly you have to open your Instagram app, then click on the plus icon in the top right corner, and here you have to go to the story tab, and then you can tap on the layout option, and from here you can choose any of the layout option. So let's see, I choose this layout option. So you can take a picture, you can upload a picture from the gallery, and then you can upload another picture. So let's see, I upload this picture, and after uploading this picture you can also resize them. So that's it, and then you can tap on the OK, and after this you can tap on the OK in the middle, and then you can see the emoji icon in the top right corner. Tap on the emoji icon, and here what you need to do is you have to scroll down, or and if you don't find that, you can simply search the poll option like this, and you can find the poll sticker. Tap on the poll, and here you can ask any of the question. So let's see, I ask any of the question, you can ask it, and then you can also edit the poll response by tapping on the yes or no, and you can add anything like, let's see, A or B, you can add this. And now and after this you can simply click on the done in the top right corner, and now you can resize this poll, and then you can simply share it by clicking on the send to, and then you can click on the share by clicking on the share, and then you can click on the done. And so that's it, at how you can create a poll of vote on Instagram. So that's it, at how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.